Hi, I'm Lauren Marlowe, CEO of Speechworks, and before joining Speechworks, I practiced law in the highly male-dominated area of corporate transactions for nearly 20 years. I certainly faced and had to overcome my own communication-related challenges, like earning a place at the table and dialing down nervous laughter. With this background, I have a passion for helping women seize and step into their power with effective communication. Our women clients often express frustration about being interrupted or talked over in meetings, having their ideas attributed to their male colleagues, or receiving criticism for being too passive or too aggressive. It's a challenge. Our Executive Speaker for Women workshop will help you learn how to make sure your voice is heard, to communicate in a way that showcases your talents and helps others to recognize and appreciate your value. I encourage you to make this important investment in your career. You won't regret it.